Get into the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse, the sleek and stylish midsize SUV that's loaded with creature comforts, smart cargo solutions, advanced safety features, and the capability to handle any adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, heated rear seat, remote engine start. Stay calm. Traverse on. Take a test drive.